Hi there. I wanted to tell you a little bit more about what I've been doing with the Fine Art Floral product suite, specifically the Art Gallery bundle. So as you know, my card kit in the mail this month features this bundle here, the Art Gallery, and I absolutely love it. Just a quick recap. These are a couple of the cards. You can see lots of texture, two-step stamping, little bit of glimmer on that ribbon, and then the gold faceted gem over here. So those are a couple of the cards. This is another one here, and I've shown a demonstration how I got the two different colors on the flower on this one by stamping it 2 times, cutting out the bumblebee flowers and putting it right over. I wanted to pull in a different card that I got as a swap, as a comparison. So this one right here, the person who made this card actually used a marker and colored on the stamp itself, so you can see the bumblebee, the Just Jade, and the Flirty Flamingo were all colored directly on the stamp and then stamped onto the paper. So this is one flat piece with multicolors. What I did on this one was I layered them by literally snipping that off the second one and attaching it on top of the card. So I just wanted to do a quick recap of that. What I want to spend more time on today is talking to you about this last card that's part of my card kit this month. Now, you may have noticed in the stamp set here, there is You Are Lovely right here. And I used You Are Lovely, but in a little bit of a different way. So I masked off the word you from that stamp and just stamped the words Are Lovely. And then this I got from the die that comes in this bundle. So let me pull in a couple of other swaps that I'd gotten so you can see what this looks like when you crank through the die as it's designed by Stampin' Up. So just want to say, you can see that on both of these swaps that I got, and you can see, all the letters that are available in that one die. So, as I said in the title of this video, a Fine Art Floral word scramble. Let me see how many of you remember, maybe you did this in school, where you had a word like Valentine, and you had to find words within that. So maybe tin, or late, or I guess we could do the obvious, Lent. Okay, so you get the idea, right? You take what's given and you pull other words out of it. I always liked doing those in school. So I kind of had the same idea with this die. So I thought, that's great, but what about some other words? And so I took the Y, the O, and the U and put together the word you. And I'm not sure, you can kind of see it there in the seams, that it's kind of pieced together. But overall, it gives the image of just a solid looking die. So then I decided, let's do a word scramble and see what other words I could come up with. So let me grab my little cheat sheet over here. So I've already shared with you the word you. I also came up with the word joy. So how fun would that be to do on Christmas cards? Any color, right? I was just using Night of Navy cardstock, but you can do that in foil paper and glimmer paper, whatever festive thing you wanted to do around the holidays. The word sun. Mom, although it's a little bit, the angle of the M is a little weird, but I'll show you another trick with that. And then finally, 2 for a little baby's 2nd birthday. Now let's go back to this mom. If I flip that around and flip the O, do you see that it could also be wow? So actually, I should have done that one too. There's actually 6 words that I came up with. I'm sure that there are more, and I would love to see if you can come up with any more. But I wanted to kind of just go into that little more depth, show you how I came up with that word you for this particular card in my card kit this month. And then just to make sure that you kind of see beyond the obvious being what it was designed to say, and looking beyond to see how versatile it actually is and what we actually can do with it. So just as a quick reminder, Card kit in the mail this month features these 4 lovely cards right here. You get supplies to make one of each with your qualifying order this month. Make sure you use the host code. Unless your order qualifies for Stampin' Rewards on your own, then don't use the host code. Get your own rewards, and you'll still get the card kit as a thank you from me. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know. Thanks for watching.